Situation report as of today, 25th of October 2025. The sister of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu with others arrived at the court where his brother and others were being tried, but they were not allowed to come in to witness the trial. Meanwhile, she expressed her heartfelt on how Nigeria wants to buy his two brothers. So her two brothers. So listen and hear from what they have to say.
In fact, Tinubu knows what he's doing. He has planned to murder my brothers, but he will not succeed. As far as we are serving a living God, as far as we are serving Chukwu Okike Abiama, our hands are clean. They did not do anything. What I found out where they are, they really want to silence anybody that stands for the truth.
As long as human rights is concerned in this country, there's no more human rights. Now, I want Nigerians, especially those of you that are suffering from Ibophobia, to rise. It is happening to Mazen Nnamdi Kanu today. It happened to Fubara in Rivers State. It happened in Edo State. It's happening to Sowore, that is a Yoruba man, where Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer, Barrister Loy Ejimako, and his younger brother, Emmanuel Kanu, and recently, of course, yesterday, they picked Sowore, their standing trial. Now we are here, to witness the trial, but we are not allowed to enter the courtroom. So you can see we are standing outside. In fact, we have to shift from the police, because if we try to do this near them, they might seize our phone. Because his elder sister, this is Mrs. Princess, her phone was seized when she was trying to pick something. This is the situation we found ourselves in. I would like, this is Mazen Nnamdi Kanu's sister. For the past 1 week, since Monday, this woman has been running up and down from Kuje prison, from Kuje Magistrate Court to Abuja High Court. She has not rested. If you go to her phone, 1 a.m., 2 a.m., she's up. This is the situation this family has found themselves in a country they call their own. Remember, this family lost their parents. Because his brother was trying to, create awareness, call the attention of Nigerians to the treatment, to the marginalization against the Southeasterners. Now, I would like her to, talk to Nigerians about her experiences so far. Remember, Aloy Ejimako and then Emmanuel Kanu were arrested for protesting, for exercising their human rights. Now, we are protesting for the release of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, a man who was abducted by the Nigerian government from Kenya to Nigeria. This man he was kidnapped from Kenya down to Nigeria. This man has been acquitted by the Appeal Court of Nigeria, and the judgment was upheld by the Supreme Court of Nigeria. Now, the federal government refused to obey these court orders. They kept holding this guy in detention. And now, they have also instead another suit against him in the High Court. Now, High Court is a lower court to Appeal Court to the Supreme Court. And now, this man is standing trial. Now, let me ask Nigerians, if the federal government of Nigeria did not obey a court judgment of the Appeal Court, did not obey a court judgment the Supreme Court upheld, how are we sure they are going to respect or obey any judgment that will come out of this High Court? Now, Nigerians came together to protest this abuse of human rights, to protest this disobedience to court judgments. And on Monday, we were tear gas. I was one of those that was tear gas. We were tear gas. And his brother, Emmanuel Kanu, and his lawyer, Aloy Ejimako, were picked. Since Monday, they have been in custody. Now, when they were arraigned on Tuesday, they did not allow them access to a lawyer. They abducted them from the prison where they were kept to Kuje Magistrate Court without allowing them access to a lawyer. And this case is a bailable offense. It's something they could have been bailed the same day. And look at the way and manner the federal government of Nigeria, who should be upholding the law, is abusing the law. Now I'm going to let her sister tell Nigerians her experience so far. Since Monday till today, her experience so far, shuttling from Kuje Magistrate Court to Kuje Prison, and then from High Court to DSS Department. Please, Madam Princess, talk to Nigerians.
Good morning, Nigerians. Anyway, I don't have much to say concerning this. What I am saying is this: Tinubu and his people know what they are doing. Concerning my brother, my two brothers, because I don't really understand what is going on. My brother was arrested on was it the day before yesterday?
On Monday.
On Monday, when we were doing protests, they tear gassed us. Before you know it, they arrested him with the lawyer Jimako and other people. They took them to FCT. From there, they didn't tell anybody. They said that they will go to the court that is in the town. I don't know the particular one, but all of a sudden, we now notice that they bring them to Kuje Magistrate Court. From there, when we get to the magistrate court, we couldn't find them. They said that they have referred them to Kuje Prison. We went to the Kuje Prison to see them. After seeing them, we now came back. It's only me running around. I will go to DSS office. I will go to DSS hospital to see my brother. I will come back from that place. I will move to Kuje. Only me running around all these things. In fact, Tinubu knows what he's doing. He has planned to murder my brothers, but he will not succeed. As far as we are serving a living God, as far as we are serving Chukwu Okike Abiama, our hands are clean. They did not do anything. What I found out where they are, they really want to silence anybody that stands for the truth. But I thank God, we are here now. They refuse us to enter. Even they seized my phone. At a time, I called one of the constables. I asked him, "You seized my phone. Why should you seize my phone?" But now they call me back and say, "Yeah, carry your phone." That I should go. I said, "Why should I go? When my younger brother and our lawyer is here and other people are here, why should I go home? To do what? Is it to go and relax or to sleep or what? I want to know." The same today, my brother is in the court. My elder brother is in the court, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and my younger brother, Prince Emmanuel Kanu, is in the court here too. You can see what is going on in this Nigeria. In fact, Nigeria is not working, and it's not going to work. I have seen it. It's not going to work. They don't want us. What they will do, they should allow us to go. Nothing else. They should allow us to go. That is all I have to say. Even those that have been, supporting us, helping us, going round and round to, I say, may Chukwu Okike Abiama continue to bless all of you. In the name of Chukwu Okike Abiama.
Now, Nigerians, you've heard from their sister. This is what they've been passing through. As long as human rights is concerned in this country, there's no more human rights. Now, I want Nigerians, especially those of you that are suffering from Igbophobia, to rise. It is happening to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu today. It happened to Fubara in Rivers State. It happened in Edo State. It's happening to Sowore, that is a Yoruba man. This Nnamdi Kanu matter shouldn't be treated as an Igbo matter. It should be treated as a human rights abuse against Nigerians. A Christian was tried in Sharia court in this country. Can the Christian communities rise against this? Now, they are systematically Islamizing Nigeria under our nose. And then the Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, who managed to rise to open our eyes to this, is being incarcerated. his family, the entire family is being incarcerated. I want to tell any Igbo man today, if you're an Igbo man and you are listening to me, the trial of Nnamdi Kanu, you should know, is the trial of Igbos. And I want all of us to rise. The least we can do is to rise and let our voice.